Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes. Time to twist it up and put some color on it. Come along for the ride. What you got planned for this one? We did one of those.
I guess a spiral then.
Spiral?
Yeah.
Okay, big spiral. Big Daddy spiral. Nothing wrong with that. Why don't you do a one-sided spiral? Something different, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
One-sided spiral with a scrunch back.
Well, how could I do a one-sided?
I would lay it flat, pick it up, twist the front. See what I'm saying?
I don't think that'll work.
Pick up just the front, yeah, and then twist. Make the whole shirt into a spiral, see what I'm saying? Yeah, and twist the whole thing into a spiral that way. Don't you think that would look cool?
Yeah.
Just keep going and going and going. We're trying new things, people. Don't you think that'd be rad, man?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, dude. Totally, bruh. Gotta band it up, man. Look at it, dude. Totally. Look at that. That looks so cool. Scrunch up the back. The diamond.
I'm not sure how well this will dye.
Hey, we're gonna find out, man. Just put it on thick, you know what I mean? Soak it in there to the dyeing rack we go. What all colors you gonna do on it? Set it on down. Let's pick our colors. Cayman, lavender.
We got
Ooh.
glacier.
Yep. You want glacier?
It's right here.
Oh, awesome. Awesome. We have more dye on the way. It'll be here in like a couple days. Awesome, awesome. Whole bunch of new shirts and sizes. Let us know if y'all need anything. Hit us up on the Etsy store. green, lavender, and glacier blue. Good turquoise aquamarine colors. Aquamarine. It's actually soaking up a lot more dye than you would think.
Let's make sure we
It is a
get that
giant
in
ball of cotton. Yeah, definitely stab it a few times. You want to baste it like a turkey. Aggressively doing it now. Getting it. Get it dyed up nicely. All good to the drying rack.
To the drying rack. Wait, hold on.
Oh, one more little spot. That's pretty. Some more glacier. Top shelf where it's gonna sit for the next 24 hours till we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.